Hello, my name is Emma Dawin Labang, and I'm going to show you how we make our upcycled bottles from these normal big water bottles. So, here. So I just turn it on first. This is very hot. It's like a laser. It can cut through. So now we're gonna cut it, and then we're making the general shape of the bottle. These are some of the finished examples of the bottles here, and ways you can use it. Now I'm going to make a hole in the bottle so that I can hang it from the wall. I have to get a nail and nail into the wall first. These rings are called grommets, and they're to make the bottle look nicer, better. And this is the finished bottle. We are upcycling the bottle because these bottles were gonna be in the ground for the rest of its life or burned. That's not good for the environment. So we found a way to make it useful and help the environment. And these are some examples of how you can use them. My dad uses them for a lot of his projects. Yeah, see? So now you can just place it on the wall like that. First, you need a nail to put it inside here, but it's very easy. You just get a nail or a screw, and you can use anything to hammer it in, like a rock or something. And that is all for how to make the upcycled bottle.